Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, last week we saw a rebound of 67.75 support, and since then the market is showing somewhat a bullish start to the week. As all eyes now turn to the RBA rate decision tomorrow with a highly expected 50 basis point rate hike, which therefore would see them move for official cash rates to 1.35%. Also this week we have the US FOMC minutes and also the ECB minutes, and with the main event on Friday being the US Labour Department jobs report. It is expected, though, for the start this week, with the US absent in observance for July the 4th, may actually see a little weaker start, but nevertheless, the market still overall may actually recoup some of Friday's losses, and therefore the Australian dollar looking up towards 68.60 and reassess from there. This would also see the euro, after stabbing at the 104.10 to 103.45 bull zone, the market has rebounded and now potentially may actually rebound back towards 104.75.85 and assess from there whether we can recapture the 105 area. However, if the market fails, then we could see another return back towards this base, anywhere from 104.10 to 103.45. Dollar yen still remains somewhat weak, but nevertheless, the market still needs to take out the level to get further access to the downside. That is at 133.70.90, with the immediate support seen at 134.70, which was near the low today. Any advancement should find resistance around 135.75. The pound a little bit weaker on Friday, but recovered from the lows around 119.5, and from the recovery may actually see a further stage to the upside. And if so, looks towards the region of 121.35 to 121.65 and reassess from there. Sterling CAD is also finding support at 105.45 area. However, the market may find from around 105, say 20.45, where the recent low was, should expect to see another bullish rebound and look back towards the top side around 156 to 157. It's interesting to see that we got a bullish candlestick from Friday, which is a hammer, and that potentially may look towards the region of 1,819, and a bid at 1,826 will give further scope up towards 1,842. I do like the way this market has sharply rebounded off that support, so a short-term correction to the upside is expected. Finishing up with oil, the market is back towards that topside challenge around 107, figure 65. A break there would give further scope up towards 110.40.55. The reason behind that is that we did take the challenge to the downside and showed around the strength in front of that 102 level. So therefore, has put a little bit of a firmer step into the start of this week. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, we'll go for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new week.